Right, now that we've got a failing test, we're ready to commit to Git. So if I do Git status, we can see that we've got two uncommitted folders and an uncommitted file. Now, one of the things that we didn't mention in our previous rules about Git is that you also shouldn't source control temporary files. An HTML report is generated on the fly, so really shouldn't go into your source control because it's regenerated every single time you run bhat. So we're going to add that to our git ignore. So echo and HTML report. I'm going to add that to the end of the git ignore file. So now do git status again, and now we can see that. Hang on, let's clear that. Git status again. Now we can see that we've got a modified git ignore file because I just modified it, and that we've got a bhat YAML config file and a features file. So if I show you which branch I'm on. Now you never, once you've got past project setup, you never commit to the master branch, because the whole idea is that the master branch in continuous delivery is supposed to be able to be deployed at any point. So if you commit a feature to the master branch before it's ready, you can break the deployments and ruin the project. So you never ever commit directly to master. So in actual fact, there is some settings that you can set in GitHub to prevent you accidentally committing it to master, but probably not going to go into that now, but it would be sensible to do. So anyway, I'm going to check out, I've created a branch. Actually, let's start that from scratch. So I'm going to delete that branch. Yeah. So there we go. So we just got the master branch, but we're going to create a new branch, and you should always include the story number in your branch name. So I'm going to create a new branch. So that's git checkout B for new branch, and it's going to be hello world, and that's story number 3. And now if I do git branch, see that I'm on hello world 3, and git status again, and then we've got our modified git file and the bhat. So I'm going to add all those. You can see they've been added, and if I do git commit and then use the same format as before, and this is now testing, or test, it's a bit more compact, tests and bhat and add first failing test. And then if I'm going to push that to the repository, and then it gives me the command that I need to run in order to actually push it. So git push. Now if I do git browse, that takes me to the file. Now it suggests that I might want to do a pull request. So what is a pull request? So I'll hand you back to the presentation.